Hello, what's up folks? Today I will discuss on how to trade options and what are the best strategies of trading options so that you can make bunch of money from the Wall Street. Okay, so I will discuss first put option, when to buy a put option. Okay, so you have to monitor the price movements, and when the price falls below the longer term moving average and also the shorter term moving average, and it is convincingly below the moving average but not yet majorly below, because you have to grab somewhere you can make bunch of money. So at least you should understand here. Okay, if not here, at least here you should understand that you should purchase a put option, and then you should close your position here. If you cannot, then you must close it here, because it is again going into positive direction or uptrend. Before going to uptrend, you have to close the put option. Okay, so you can make some money. That is the best time to sell. This is the best time, but if you cannot pick it, it's also fine, but you have to grab profit here because it is again going up. So you should not give the opportunity to wipe out all of your profits. Okay, so when to buy call option now? So when price goes above the simple moving average, longer term and also shorter term, the price is up above the moving averages, both of the moving averages. And also if you can find it here, that is fine. If you cannot find the call option here is also fine, but at least you should find here, right? Because it is already quite a few movements above the moving averages. So if you can pick it here, then you can make bunch of money because the price is going up and it is hitting here. So if you cannot close your call option here, at least close it here, because the price is hitting the moving average. So hitting the moving average again means it is potentially going down or going into downturn. So before that you should grab your profits. Okay, so this is the chart strategy, and also you should take the help of stock screener here. For example, if you want to take a position in put options, you should select some fundamental criteria. For example, forward P should be over 30 for finding what are the suitable put options. Profit margin should be under 20%. PEG ratio should be over 3. So these are the bad qualities of, like, if these are the situations, so the stock is a bad stock to invest. That means that stock is worthy of selling. Okay, and also you should go to technical and see whether this stock is overpriced by prices above 10% of moving average, means the price, and also RSI shows overbought 60 or overbought 70, whatever, like 60, 70, 80, those are overbought, but 70 or 80s are and 90s are major overbought. So you have to consider those. I take 60 because I want to select from bunch of stocks. So this is how I figure out which stocks to pick for put options. And you should do the opposite in case of selecting call options. For example, in the fundamentals, select the criteria which are like good criteria for a stock. Like if the forward P is under 10 or like under 20, that means the stock is a fine stock to invest. So those are the stocks you should select reverse, like under 20 for call options. Okay, this is how you should take advantage of stock screener, and to confirm that the chart is telling the right thing, and you should now invest in put option or call option depending on your analysis. And also you should consider market sentiment. Not only that, you should also consider, you should not put all of your investment amount into options trading, because you may become like bankrupt by trading options if you only trade options, because these are very, very risky. You have to have like 10% amount of your total portfolio invested in options, not more than that. And you should also diverse your options portfolio by selecting 3 to 4 call options and also 2 to 3 or 4 put options, so that your options portfolio is also diverse. And if you make money in 1 or 2 of your options trades, then you make bunch of money so that you can offset the losses if some of other option contracts fail to give you money, or they become obsolete, or they become expired before you can do any trades. So that is what you should consider in options trading, so that you can make bunch of money. Okay, I think I have make you a good help with the ideas of how to trade options profitably, so you should capitalize on those. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.